Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a full screen on the application of WhatsApp. We go to settings here and we click. Then we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list here you will scrolling down until you will find here app WhatsApp, this app of WhatsApp. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage and then we click on clear cache. In the end you can go to Play Store. You will search about WhatsApp and here you can update your app if you find updates. If it's not working with you, then you can uninstall your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.